Hi, good morning. Today we have Lexus GS350 2013. This car came to us for misfire issue and check engine light. So this car was being for many garages. They replaced almost everything. So they couldn't find the issue. So as per our diagnosis, we find the issue, the problem with the wiring, and this ECU was shorted from inside. So they replaced so many parts, but it will not fix the issue because this is the main ECU that is handling all these things. So we will repair this ECU and this car will be ready to go. So if you have any inquiry about any electrical, AC job, programming, calibration, anything, feel free to contact us, the Mechanic Auto Services.